In this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps in Control Center on iOS 18 on your iPhone. So unlike iOS 17.5 or 16 series, you cannot add application to the Control Center here. But with the new iOS 18, you can easily hide apps to the Control Center, and here I'm going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to add apps in Control Center on iOS 18, all you need to do is swipe down the Control Center like this, press and hold empty space, and then click on Add a Control. Now, here you need to look for Open App. Just keep searching for Open App while you scroll down. Or better still, tap Search Control and search for Open Apps. Let's click on that. Then you'll see the Open App added. Now, once you've added Open App, again, press and hold empty space like this. Then click on the Open App icon. Then you'll say Choose App. Select the application you want to open from Control Center. Then click outside the Open App shortcut. There you go. Then you should see the Chrome application added to the Control Center. Click on that. So this is going to open the app directly from their control. So this is how you can easily add app to your Control Center on iPhone on iOS 18. So swipe down like this, click on the app. Then this is going to open the browser app on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.